What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing some Roblox Pizza Place. I'm gonna show a glitch. Uh which do I wanna do? Okay, so what you need to do is go to the back of the house. And once delete. And you wanna go to the back of the house. The back of the house over here. And you need to find the manager. I'm not sure they did not patch this glitch, but watch this. Go to settings. I'll find this dance, and there you go. You can now become manager using this method, guys. So I just took the manager spot, as you can see, and oh my god, someone can either get. Oh god, guys, should be. So you can now, what you do is you want to go, and if you want to do this glitch again, if you get stuck out, you just gotta go to the back of the pizza place, and then what you want to do is go to the manager's room to do the glitch. Just click sit, and then jump, and then you're in. You can do whatever you want. You can see things, you can buy things, and yeah. And you can even say you're in manager room if you want to do. So yeah, that's all for the video. Bye. See you in the next one. Whoops.